In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Microsoft. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a simple Google search to the Microsoft Store, sales, support contact options, and sign in for online help. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search box, type Outlook and look for the official Microsoft Outlook result. You'll know it's the right one because it's from Microsoft and it should mention email and calendar. Click that result to open Outlook's page. A quick tip, always check for the lock icon in your browser bar to confirm you're on a secure official site. Once the page loads, find and click the support link. Depending on your screen size, you might see it in the top navigation or down in the footer. This brings you into Microsoft's support area, where all the help articles and contact routes live. On the support page, choose Microsoft Store Support. This section is designed for purchases, subscriptions, billing, and store-related issues, which is where many Outlook and Microsoft 365 questions ultimately get resolved, especially if they involve payments or licenses. Next, click Sales Support Help. This narrows the focus to help specifically related to buying, billing, and account entitlements. It's a smart shortcut compared to browsing through all support categories. From there, select Contact Us. This is where Microsoft presents your options to actually reach someone or start an automated help flow. Think of this as the front door to human or guided support. Now choose online support. This option leads to web-based help and when available, connects you with chat or a virtual agent that can escalate as needed. It's convenient and usually the fastest way to get assistance during business hours. You'll be prompted to sign in. Click sign in. Being signed in ensures support can see your region, purchases, and subscription details so you get the right help without repeating information. On the account prompt, click your email address if it appears in the list of known accounts. If you use more than one Microsoft account, double check that you're selecting the one associated with your Outlook or Microsoft 365 subscription. This avoids confusion later. Finally, click Next to continue. After this, you'll be taken back into Microsoft support with your account recognized and the online support experience will load with options tailored to you. That's it. You've gone from a simple Google search to the exact Microsoft Store sales support path and signed in for online assistance. Keep your subscription or order details handy for quicker resolutions and you'll be all set.